Welcome to the 1-Minute Photography. In this video I will show you how to edit wildlife photos in Lightroom. Subscribe our channel to watch daily preset and get free every preset we upload. So let's start editing. First go to the basics. Bring exposure -1.60. Contrast +15. Highlights -90. And shadows +25. Whites +10. And blacks -10. Next go to the presence. Bring +40 to texture. Clarity 25. Vibrance +24. And +10 to saturations. Next go to the curve and follow these steps. Then go to the color mix and first go to the red. And bring hue to +40. For orange bring both hue and saturations to -10. Then go to the yellow. Hue -65. And saturations +15. Next go to the green. Hue -25. Saturations +15. And luminance -15. Then go to the blue. Hue -50. And saturations +25. Next bring hue to -35. And saturations to -15. For purple and magenta. Next go to the color grading tool. For shadows bring hue to 250. And saturations to 15. Next go to the global section and bring global luminance to 40. And make blending to 100. Next go to the details and bring sharpening to 15. And bring luminance and color noise reduction to 30. Finally go to the effects and make vignette -20. And now your preset is ready. Save the setting as a preset, then you can apply this preset to other photos. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video.